Ready to get serious about your money, but stuck on the first step, Ally checking or Ally savings? It's a classic financial dilemma, and if you're looking at Ally Bank, you've already made a great choice. They are an online banking powerhouse known for high rates and low fees. But which account is the better fit for you? The simple answer is that they serve two very different, but equally important, purposes. And you probably need both. Let's break down the key differences. Think of the Ally checking account, officially called the spending account, as your financial launchpad. This is for daily use. It's built for spending, paying bills, and easy access to your money. You get a debit card, you can write checks, and you have access to a huge network of fee-free ATMs with up to $10 in reimbursement for other ATM fees each statement cycle. Crucially, it has no monthly maintenance fees and no overdraft fees, which is a major win. The trade-off? The interest rate, while it's an interest-bearing account, is relatively low. It's designed for liquidity, not for maximum growth. Now, shift your focus to the Ally Savings account, which is a high-yield online savings account. This is where your money goes to grow. Its purpose is long-term savings, like your emergency fund, a down payment, or a big vacation. The primary benefit here is the significantly higher annual percentage yield, or APY, compared to the checking account. Your money earns more just by sitting there, compounding daily. Ally also offers helpful tools like buckets and boosters to help you organize and automate your savings goals. The catch with the savings account is access. To encourage saving, it follows federal guidelines that limit certain withdrawals and transfers to 10 per statement cycle. It doesn't come with a debit card or checks. That separation is actually a feature, not a bug. It creates a psychological barrier to impulsive spending. So, who is each one better for? The Ally checking account is essential for everyone who needs a primary hub for their income and expenses. If you can only start with one, and you need to pay bills and use a debit card, start here. The Ally Savings account is the better choice for your excess cash and your future goals. If you already have a decent checking account somewhere else but want to maximize the return on your savings, this high-yield account is the clear winner. Ultimately, the best strategy is to link both accounts at Ally. This gives you high-yield growth for your savings and instant, fee-free access for your daily needs, with the added benefit of instantaneous transfers between the two. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.